Revisiting Modernism: How Generative AI Can Evolve a Design Legacy. Modernism was never just a style, it was a mindset. It embraced clarity, structure, material honesty, and a belief that design could shape a better future. But over time, many of its expressions became rigid, repetitive, and disconnected from the complexity of contemporary life. Today, generative AI gives us an opportunity to revisit, not replicate, modernism. Rather than treating modernist principles as fixed rules, we can use AI to amplify them. Scaling up the core ideas, modularity, proportion, structural expression, AI allows us to explore thousands of iterations that a human designer alone could never produce. This doesn't replace authorship. It expands it. Designers can guide systems to evolve grids into adaptive frameworks, transform repetition into variation, and push minimalism toward richness without losing coherence. One of the most promising shifts is how AI handles scale. Modernism often struggled between the purity of form and the lived experience of space. With generative tools, we can design across scales simultaneously, linking facade systems, structural logic, environmental performance, and human interaction into a continuous feedback loop. What was once static becomes responsive. Equally important is context. Early modernism aimed for universality. Today, we value specificity. AI enables us to embed local climate, culture, and use patterns directly into the design process, producing outcomes that are both systematic and deeply contextual. The result is not a rejection of modernism, but a refinement of its ambitions. This emerging direction isn't postmodernism, and it's not parametricism in its earlier form. It's something more grounded, a synthesis of modernist clarity with computational adaptability. Clean lines can coexist with complexity, rational systems can produce unexpected beauty. If modernism asked, what is essential? Generative AI allows us to ask, what is possible, at every scale, all at once. The next design language won't abandon the past. It will iterate on it faster, deeper, and more intelligently than ever before.